So hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Supreme Tutorials. So today's question is exercise number 1A, question number 3. A computer mechanic in Delhi charges repairing cost from 5 different persons A, B, C, D and E with certain discounts. The repairing cost and the corresponding discounts are given as below. So here 5 different persons are there. Different persons names are given A, B, C, D and E, and each different repairing cost is there and discount percentage also there. So if the rate of GST is 18%, find the total money including GST received by the mechanic. So total amount received by the mechanic from the 5 persons after discount and after GST is we have to calculate. So let's get started the solution. So 1A, question number 3. So name of persons A, B, C, D and E. The computer mechanic repairing cost for A is 5,500, for B 6,250, for C 4,800, for D 7,200 and for E is 3,500. So let's start. So we'll make it as column name of persons, then cost, repairing cost, then discounted percentage they have given, then discounted amount, then here selling price means after discount amount. So here CGST, SGST, because it's happening inside the state, so CGST and SGST we take. So selling price, CGST and SGST. So first person, so name of person is A. He is costing rupees 5,500. So repairing cost is for A 5,500. Then discount percentage is given, it's 30%. So now 5,500 into 30%. So 5,500 into 30 upon 100, so 0 get cancelled. 55 into 30 will get 1,650 discounted amount. So repairing cost is 5,500, discount is 1,650. So now selling price means repairing cost minus discount. So repairing cost is 5,500 minus discount is 1,650, will get selling price. So 5,500 minus 1,650 is equal to, so else we write here cost, repairing cost minus discount. So here 5,500 minus 1,650 is 3,850 after discount. So now he is charging GST 18%. 18% means we divide it into CGST and SGST into two part. So 3,850 into 9% we take. So GST is 346 rupees 50 paisa, 346 rupees 50 paisa, CGST and SGST. So this is for A. Now come to second person, so that is B. Name of person is B. Repairing cost of B is 6,250. Then discount percentage is 40%. So 6,250 into 40%. 6,250 into 40 upon 100. So 1010 get cancelled, 1010 get cancelled. 625 into 4. So 625 into 4, that is discounted amount 2,500. So the repairing cost is 6,250, discounted amount is 2,500. Now 6,250 minus 2,500. So minus, you'll get 3,750. So on 3,750, we have to charge 9% CGST and 9% SGST. So 3,750 into 9% for CGST and SGST, because the service is, the transaction is going on within the state, therefore we take CGST and SGST. So 3,750 into 9 upon 100. So you will get charges is, so multiply this, you will get CGST amount and SGST amount. If you have any doubt, please comment me. So CGST comes 337.50 paisa and SGST also same 337.50 paisa. So now come to next person. Person name is C. So name of the person is C. Repairing cost is 4,800. So C, repairing cost is 4,800. So discounted percentage is given 30%. So now 4,800 into 30%. So you can calculate here. So 4,800 into 30 upon 100. So 0 0 get cancelled. So 48 into 30. So discounted amount will get 1,440. So now selling price means after discount amount 4,800 minus 1,440 is 3,360 rupees after discount amount. Now on 3,360 we take 9% GST, that is 302.4. Again is GST also 302.4. This is for C. Now come to next person. Person name is D. Repairing cost is 7,200. Then discounted percentage is 20%. 7,200 is repairing cost, then discounted percentage 20%. 7,200 into 20%. 7,200 into 20 upon 100. 20 get cancelled. 72 into 20. So now, discounted amount is 7,200 into 20%, 1,440. Then cost, repairing cost minus discounted amount will get 5,760. On 5,760, 9% CGST and 9% SGST, that is 518 rupees 40 paisa. SGST also 518 rupees 40 paisa. This is for D. Now come to the last person, E. So name of the person is E. Repairing cost is 3,500. So name of person E. Repairing cost 3,500. Discounted percentage is 40%. So 3,500. Discounted percentage is 40%. So 3,500 into 40%, 1,400. So 3,500 minus 1,400, that is selling price 2,100. On 2,100 we take 9% CGST and 9% SGST. So 2,100 into 9%, that is 189 rupees, and SGST also 189 rupees. Now they said total amount including GST and after discount a computer mechanic received, we have to calculate. So total amount, first we have to total it. Selling price, total amount is this much. Including that we have to add CGST and SGST. Including GST, the computer mechanic receives the amount. So total of selling price is, so make a column of total, that is selling price total, then CGST total, then SGST total. So total of these three is the amounted bill. So total amount of bill is that much. So here selling price total, then CGST total, then SGST total. After that we have to calculate total amount. See, selling price total is 18,820. CGST is 1,693. Then SGST also 1,693 rupees. So now they said they ask for total amount including GST. So now we'll calculate total amount of bill. So now total amount of bill or else amount of bill, what they ask you write just that much. So total money the computer mechanic receives including GST it's equal to received by computer mechanic. The total amount including GST received by the computer mechanic is equal to selling price plus CGST plus SGST. So that is 18,820 plus CGST is 1,693.80 paisa. Then SGST also 1,693.80 paisa. So total of this is 22,207 rupees 60 paisa. The total amount received by the mechanic is 22,207 rupees and 60 paisa.